Ever stared at your medical notes and felt completely lost? Imagine if you could actually see the connections between concepts instead of drowning in endless text. What if your notes weren't just notes, but an intuitive map that showed you the big picture at a glance? Let's dive into how to create mind maps that simplify your studies, boost recall, and turn overwhelming preparation into a stress-free experiences. Step 1. Prepare your notes. Gather all your materials, textbooks, class notes, and any reference guides. Break the topic into smaller, manageable sections. This step helps you avoid the common mistake of trying to include everything in one go. Let's take an example. If you're studying atherosclerosis, divide the topic into key components: definition, pathogenesis, morphology, clinical features. Why does this matter? Organizing your notes before you start ensures you have a clear structure. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate the mind map. You don't have to create the structure manually. Use AI to speed up the process. Here's how. 1. Open ChatGPT 2. Input your notes with this prompt. Create a mind map for the below information. Show the key points. Please provide a code box with Markdown language. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a clear, well-organized mind map structure. It's like having a personal assistant for your studies. Step 3. Export and import into Xmind. Once you have the mind map in Markdown format, the next step is to make it visually interactive. Use a tool like Dillinger.io to save the Markdown file from ChatGPT. 2. Open Xmind, one of the best mind mapping tools available. 3. Import the saved Markdown file into Xmind. Now your plain text mind map becomes a fully interactive and editable visual diagram. Want to go a step further? Add links to YouTube videos, journal articles, or lecture slides to each branch for deeper understanding. Step 4. Customize and personalize. Here's where you can get creative and make the mind map uniquely yours. Add icons or emojis to emphasize important points or make concepts fun to remember. Insert mnemonics, doodles, or jokes that resonate with you. Remember, the more personalized the map, the easier it is to recall information during exams. Step 5. Use the mind map effectively. Mind maps are not just pretty visuals. They're powerful study tools. Here's how to get the most out of them. 1. Review key concepts. Quickly glance through the mind map to refresh your memory before exams. 2. Track your progress. Check off branches as you master each section. 3. Self-test. Try explaining each branch aloud without looking. This is a great way to identify gaps in your knowledge. The visual layout transforms complex topics into digestible chunks, making your study far more productive. Why use mind maps? What makes mind maps so effective? They help you visualize connections effortlessly. You can organize your thoughts in minutes instead of hours. They're perfect for quick revisions, especially during exam season. Study maps can improve retention by up to 60%. The result? You'll not only study smarter, but also feel more confident walking into exams, knowing you've covered the material in a structured and efficient way. There you have it. A simple and effective way to turn chaos into clarity. Start creating mind maps today and watch your study sessions transform. If you want to avoid the hassle of creating your own notes, feel free to check the description or pinned comment, or reach out to us via Telegram. You can also follow us on Instagram for a glimpse onto our lives as medical students. We share tips, behind-the-scenes moments, and much more. Thank you for tuning in. And remember, study smarter, not harder. Let us know which topics you'd like to see our next video on. Good luck, and we'll see you in the next video.